Discover the top 7 best underwater drones. So perfect that revolutionize underwater exploration and filming. Perfect for hobbyists, marine researchers, and professional filmmakers, these high-tech devices offer unparalleled performance, stunning camera capabilities, and innovative features. Whether you're inspecting underwater structures, exploring marine life, or capturing breathtaking footage, these drones combine durability, precision, and ease of use for every underwater adventure. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Genino Titan. The Genino Titan is a cutting-edge underwater drone designed for professional and recreational explorers alike. Engineered for precision and durability, this advanced ROV, remotely operated vehicle, reaches depths of up to 492 feet, 150 meters, offering unparalleled underwater exploration. Equipped with a Yan 4K UHD camera and a 160-degree wide-angle lens, the Titan captures stunning, crystal-clear footage and images, even in the darkest waters, thanks to its powerful LED lights. With the 6 thrusters, the Titan boasts superior maneuverability, enabling smooth navigation through challenging underwater environments. Its real-time video transmission and intuitive app-based control ensure a seamless, immersive experience for users on land or aboard a vessel. The Genino Titan also supports modular attachments, such as robotic arms, to expand its capabilities for tasks like marine research, underwater inspections, or treasure hunting. Designed for endurance with a 4-hour battery life, the Titan is the ultimate tool for underwater adventurers seeking to push the boundaries of exploration. Number 6. Chasing M2 Pro Max. The Chasing M2 Pro Max is a cutting-edge underwater ROV remotely operated vehicle designed for professional-grade applications in inspection research and exploration. Built with a robust aluminum alloy body, it operates seamlessly up to a depth of 200 meters, delivering unparalleled performance in challenging underwater environments. Equipped with an advanced 4K UHD camera and ultra-bright LED lights, the M2 Pro Max captures crystal-clear visuals even in low-light conditions. Its 8-thruster vector layout offers superior stability and precise multi-directional movement, making it ideal for detailed inspections or navigating complex underwater terrains. With a maximum speed of 3 knots and a runtime of up to 5 hours, it ensures efficiency for prolonged operations. The ROV also supports various attachments, including robotic arms, sonar, and laser measurement systems, enhancing its versatility. Whether for marine construction, environmental monitoring, or underwater rescue, the Chasing M2 Pro Max delivers professional-grade results with unmatched reliability and ease of use. Number 5. PowerVision PowerRay. The PowerVision PowerRay, underwater drone. Explore the depths like never before with the PowerVision PowerRay, a revolutionary underwater drone designed for adventure enthusiasts, marine researchers, and anglers alike. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, this sleek and compact device captures breathtaking underwater footage and crystal-clear photos at depths of up to 98 feet. Its real-time streaming capabilities let you immerse yourself in the underwater world via the PowerVision app or VR headset for an unparalleled first-person experience. The PowerRay is not just about exploration, it's a game-changer for fishing, featuring sonar technology to detect fish and underwater landscapes with precision. With a 100-meter tether and advanced GPS capabilities, you can map underwater terrains and mark hotspots effortlessly. Its intuitive controls and long-lasting battery make it perfect for extended use. Whether you're capturing cinematic underwater visuals, scouting for fish, or exploring uncharted waters, the PowerVision PowerRay redefines the way you interact with the underwater world. Dive into innovation. Number 4. QIC FiFish V6 Expert. The QIC FiFish V6 Expert is a state-of-the-art underwater drone designed for professional and recreational users who demand exceptional performance and reliability. Featuring a 360-degree omnidirectional movement system, this ROV, remotely operated vehicle, delivers unparalleled maneuverability in all underwater environments. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, 12 megapixel still photography capabilities, and a wide 166-degree field of view, the V6 Expert captures stunningly clear and immersive underwater visuals. Its powerful LED lights illuminate the darkest depths, making it perfect for inspections, filmmaking, or marine research. Built for durability, the FiFish Vive 6 Expert boasts a robust design, a depth rating of up to 100 meters, and extended battery life for longer missions. Advanced stabilization, VR control, and innovative imaging technologies ensure precise operations and professional-grade results. Whether you're inspecting underwater structures, exploring marine life, or capturing cinematic footage, the QYSCA FiFish V6 Expert is your ultimate companion for underwater exploration. Number 3. Blue Eye Pioneer. The Blue Eye Pioneer is a state-of-the-art underwater drone designed for both professional and recreational use, offering unparalleled access to the underwater world. Engineered with cutting-edge Norwegian technology, the Pioneer delivers exceptional performance, durability, and ease of operation. Equipped with a high-resolution 1080p HD camera and powerful LED lights, the drone captures stunning visuals up to 150 meters, 492 feet below the surface. Its advanced thruster system ensures smooth and stable navigation, even in challenging underwater conditions. The user-friendly Blue Eye app allows seamless control and live streaming to smartphones, tablets, or VR goggles, making exploration intuitive and immersive. Ideal for marine research, underwater inspections, or adventurous exploration. The Pioneer's compact, lightweight design makes it highly portable. Its robust construction ensures reliability in freshwater, saltwater, or extreme environments. Whether you're a professional diver or a curious explorer, the Blue Eye Pioneer opens a new dimension of underwater discovery with its unmatched precision and innovative design. Number 2. Novatics Mito. The Novatics Mito is a cutting-edge underwater drone designed to bring ocean exploration to your fingertips. Engineered for both hobbyists and professionals, this compact and lightweight device captures stunning 4K Ultra HD video and 12-megapixel photos, offering unparalleled clarity beneath the waves. Its innovative stabilization system ensures smooth footage, even in dynamic underwater environments. The Mito boasts a 4-hour battery life and a maximum depth capability of 130 feet, making it ideal for extended dives. Operated via a user-friendly smartphone app, it features real-time video streaming and precision controls, allowing you to navigate effortlessly through coral reefs, shipwrecks, or marine life habitats. With its modular design, the Mito accommodates accessories like lights and filters for enhanced customization. Whether you're a marine researcher, videographer, or recreational explorer, the Novatics Mito delivers professional-grade performance in a portable package, redefining underwater exploration and filmmaking. Dive deeper, discover more, and capture the ocean like never before. Number 1. SwellPro Spry Plus. The SwellPro Spry Plus is a cutting-edge waterproof drone designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts who demand performance and durability. Engineered for land, air, and sea, the Spry Plus boasts a fully sealed body that is both corrosion-resistant and capable of floating on water, making it ideal for fishing, boating, and water sports. Equipped with a 4K camera stabilized by Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS), the Spry Plus captures stunning aerial footage with vivid clarity and vibrant colors. Its real-time video transmission ensures seamless live streaming to your mobile device or remote control with a built-in display. The drone offers multiple intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoints, to simplify complex maneuvers. With a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour and a flight time of up to 17 minutes, the Spry Plus delivers high-performance capabilities in challenging environments. Whether you're capturing epic ocean adventures or rugged landscapes, the SwellPro Spry Plus ensures unmatched reliability and creative freedom. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best underwater drones. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.